I asked Claude Code to make me a snake game and it made this. So you see, snake moves, eats food, and score climbs. Let me show you the prompt. So let's begin. First of all, this is the empty project where I'm gonna create this game. Open the terminal within that folder and let's start Claude Code. And now let me type the prompt for building the snake game. For that, build me a classic snake game as a single HTML file. Use arrow keys, make it polished and fun to play. Let's submit and see what it makes. Alright, so it is saying I'll create a polished snake game as a single HTML file. Okay, the game has been created. You see it has created the index.html, and let me quickly show you the code. So this is the entire code, and JavaScript is also included within this HTML file. And in the terminal, here is a summary where it is telling what it has made. Now let's go back to the browser and test the game. We have a play button, and here it says arrow keys are WASD to move and P to pause. So let's try that. So the game is started, but game is over. I didn't even get chance to play it because I didn't see my snake anywhere. This didn't work. So now let's go back to the Claude and ask it. I tested game and I did not see any snake, and game was over without playing anything. So let's see how it solves that problem. Alright, it is saying now I see the full picture. The draw loop crashes, etc. So it has discovered the problem and now made some changes, and it has opened the application in the browser. So let's try it. Click the button. Yes, this time the snake is visible and it looks very professional. You see that the snake is growing when I select the food, and when I select the red dot, you see a nice animation effect, and when game is over, then again I see a very nice effect. So this is very interesting to make a game by using Claude Code and play. You see that it is very interesting. Alright, that's it. You see, I just gave it one prompt and it made this working snake game for me. The repository is attached below in the description. Subscribe if you want to see what Claude builds next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.